With the carriage dust cover off, examine both front and back damper, ensuring the damper plates are tight to the carriage and slide freely under the force from the springs. The idler wheel should have no visible flat spots and can freely rotate. With the chart hole wheels in the up position, try to move the grit shaft from side to side with your fingers. There should be no in-play. Next, try to rotate each grit shaft section while you brake the adjacent section. If you find any movement, tighten the grit shaft set screws. Check the set screws that secure the motor coupling and tighten if necessary.